everything else. Well, let me tell you a secret. People are making money on this platform with the simplest of things called niche. The simplest. They don't even need fancy gear, they don't need endless free time or even a whole team behind them. They are making money, and you just need an idea. You need a little bit of consistency and the courage to press record. So, to prove that to you, let's take a look at the channel that I recently found out. This is Cozy Savannah Colors. With just 12 videos, she has grown into over 3,000 subscribers with just 12 videos. Can you imagine? She is a girl and our markers. She's bringing a calm vibe and color to your field. Your feed. Sorry, I can't get over myself. I don't know, but this is amazing. Wouldn't you say? This 12 videos, 3,000 subbies. There are no wild edits as well. It's nothing complicated in terms of her setup. She's just being herself. She brings her markers and a cozy vibe. So today I'm going to share with you lessons that I took away from watching this channel that you can actually borrow in order to start your own from her success, in order for you to start your own channel, even with the busiest of schedules. Now, lesson number one, simplicity wins. I have to tell you, simple but gorgeous. Simple yet effective, from the title of our videos to the videos themselves. If I hover, can you just see? It's an overhead shot of this lady painting, coloring it in. I know, can you not see how simple it is? I'm not saying it's ridiculous, it's just very simple. Her videos are straightforward. She colors, she plays relaxing music, and she invites you to sit with her. That's it. For women over the age of 40 with busy lives, this is a huge lesson and a huge win. You don't need a big production. You can start with something that you already enjoy in your day to day. For you, it could be gardening, it could be cooking, it could be journaling, knitting, laundry, making the bed, cooking your meals, even your daily walks. People are making content with daily walks nowadays. You're not losing. It's a win-win, no matter how you look at it. Your calm, simple activity can be content. I know we don't want to sound ridiculous because we're just in our 40s and we are right at the top in middle life, right there. Things can tip us over the edge, but I want you to think of YouTube as an extension of your everyday life, not another overwhelming project. And if I'm just going to click into one of our videos so that we can watch. I hope this starts. Okay. Can you see how simple she starts? And she starts every video like that. Every single video is started like that. Bear with me, and I'll open another one. Take a look. See. Are you still watching? Because I'm in awe of something so simple yet effective. She didn't have to complicate it. And that leads me to lesson number two. Consistency matters more than the quantity. If you do this, if this is your daily thing or your weekly thing, just record it and post it. She has just 12 videos. 12. Yet, she's past 3,000 subscribers. Why? Because she's consistent in her theme, in her style. Every video says, cozy, calm, color with me. Let's go back to that. Cozy, calm, color with me. Soft coloring book. Color with me, coloring book. Color with me, cozy, coloring book. Color with me, my first coloring video. You get the do you catch my drift? You don't have to post every single day either, because I think when she started, okay, she had one in 1 month and then a couple, three in another month, and then she went two in a month every 2 weeks. Can you see that? Every 2 weeks or once a week. You don't have to post every day. You don't even have to post every week if you don't want to, but if you are consistent, if you remain with the same vibe, with the same focus, your audience will find you because your audience will know what to expect and they will come back. If you have busy life, that's not a problem. Just film a whole batch in a weekend and release them slowly. That's why you have YouTube Studio there so that you can schedule them out. We're not trying to do this by breaking our backs. We're in our 40s. We should know how to do this. If eventually we want to redefine what retirement is like or going to be for us, we want to pick up this as a hobby, but also I value the benefits, the enormous benefits that comes with making YouTube as a hobby to women over the age of 40 in the workplace. You will come back to the workplace feeling fulfilled, energetic, being yourself. Lesson number three, this lady leans into what makes her her. So why not lean into what makes you you? What sets Savannah apart is her personal touch. She's not trying to be everything to everyone. She's not chasing trends. She's leaning into what she loves, coloring. Simple as that. That authenticity draws people in. For you, maybe it's crocheting. For you, it could be sharing your favorite books. It could be cooking quick meals after work. The lesson here is that you don't want to hide your everyday joys because you think they're too small, because you think people will not watch, because you're thinking, what will family members think? What will your friends say? On YouTube, the small, cozy, real things are what connect you. And you can see she doesn't have to show her face, she doesn't have to show anything beyond the coloring book. Her nails, yes, they're beautiful, but you don't need fake nails to do this. You can easily do this while you're doing your own thing. Just set the camera up. Another lesson that I took away from this channel is that long form video content works. A lot of her videos are at least half an hour long, yet they pull in thousands of views. You can see the views over 7,000, over 2,000, over 3,000, over 5,000 views. It's not a fluke. She's consistently delivering without speaking, without showing our voice, without. Can you even cringe at this? You can't. Even if you watch yourself back coloring, you cannot. I can't fault this. I cannot fault it. And this tells me two things. People on YouTube love soft, slow, cozy content. This is a true, tried, and tested method. But also, you don't need to chop everything into 30-second clips in order to succeed. If you have 30 minutes while you're cooking, or you're crocheting, or you're what's the ridiculous thing I can really think about? Washing your car or fixing your microwave, cleaning, hoovering, making dinner, picking the kids up from school, taking a walk. Press record, will you? You already have a mobile phone with you. Talk, share, let people sit with you, invite people into your community, invite people into your energy, invite people into your me time. Longer videos also help you with your watch time, I've heard. If you want to monetize it, longer videos help. Someone's advised me recently that I should go live more frequently and that will help push over with, the watch hours and get me monetized. But when we're not doing this with a burnout, we're not trying to get burned out because life is so busy already. Do you also notice something with Savannah's channel? Her videos are not polished. They're not. They're not polished to perfection. We don't have text jumping here and there over the screen. They're cozy, they're real, they're a little raw, and that's why they work. If you're over 40 and you're hesitant because you don't know editing or fancy tech, this should encourage you. Start where you are, imperfect. Imperfect videos are better than no videos at all. Imperfect videos are better than no videos at all. And if you want to copy Savannah, why not? Put your spin on it. Probably try different coloring books. Maybe you want to speak. If you're feeling confident, why not? Maybe buy the same handbooks or the same coloring books and show us in a different way how you can do this. Maybe you don't like the color she picked. Maybe you want to try out different colors. Why not? And then lastly, the lesson I took away is also that SEO and titles matter. I think I'm going to be sticking to simple titles myself because her video titles are so smart. I have never seen anything like this before. She's simply repeating the same thing, but depending on the coloring book she's using. There's cozy moments, coloring book, there's relaxing music. Those are the three things or two things that she's showcasing in her videos. They use key phrases. There's color with me, there's relaxing music, and there's coloring book. Now that's how people searching for relaxing or coloring will find her. It's quite easy, straightforward. For you, maybe you want to think about such terms. So if you're making cooking videos, you might want to try Cook With Me, easy 15-minute dinner, busy weeknight recipe, Live With Me, laundry, 10 minutes laundry hacks, make the bed with me, do laundry with me. It's very clear, it's descriptive, and it is searchable. Did I have I mentioned that this is faceless as well? Have I? Oh, one bonus tip that I also noticed with this is that you see in the description, this lady must have monetized this channel before YouTube AdSense even came through her post. Can you see her art supplies? Every time you click on this affiliate link, it will take you to Amazon. And every time you shop any of those links, she will get a small commission from you shopping the links. Isn't that clever? For women over the age of 40, we need all the money we can get. You're being pulled from children on one side and family and care responsibilities on the other. This may be the time that you want to start building an extra income in addition to, yes, the one you're making in your 9 to 5. If you're working, if you're not working, this is a good source of income. Start a YouTube channel today from something you already do every single day. The truth here that I'm trying to share basically is that YouTube doesn't just reward the busiest people or the tech savviest. It rewards people who show up with something real, something consistent, something authentic. There is no way you can get burnt out from doing such a hobby. There is no way. If you don't have a hobby, go and find one and start filming it. If Cozy Savannah Colors can build over 3,000 subscribers with 12 cozy videos, imagine what you could do with your own corner of YouTube. Imagine. So I don't want you to overthink a niche or what it could be. I want you to start with what you love, record it in the simplest format possible, and let the world come and sit with you. Because the world doesn't just need another polished influencer. We're way past that now. Have you seen or heard of Tabitha Brown? People are doing amazing things, and midlife is the time to do it. The world needs your story, the world needs your voice. Three people can be saying the same thing, but they will deliver it in different ways because of perspective, because of the way in which we are raised, because of where we are raised, because of our own experience in the world. Your everyday moments determine the type of person that you are. Anyway, if this inspired you, I'd like you to please hit the like button, subscribe, share it to a friend, a sister, a mom, a mother in law, sister in law, someone who has been waiting for the perfect time to start their channel. And tell me in the comments, please, what is that one thing, one small thing that you do every day that could probably be the heart of your YouTube channel? And when you do start, let me know so I can come and cheer you on.